The most dependable reward apps usually keep the same redemption process for years, making it easier for long-term users to know exactly how to earn rewards and cash them out. By the end, you'll know 5 reward apps that continue using familiar payout systems in 2026, and why consistency matters when choosing where to spend your time. The first app is Swagbucks. Swagbucks has continued offering multiple earning methods through a single account, including eligible surveys, shopping offers, supported games, and promotional tasks. While new earning opportunities are added over time, the basic redemption process has remained familiar for regular users. The second app is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards continues focusing on receipt scanning for qualifying purchases. Users upload eligible receipts, earn rewards according to the program rules, and redeem them through the options provided inside the app. The overall process has stayed simple and easy to understand. The third app is Ibotta. Ibotta still centers on cashback shopping. Activate eligible offers before purchasing, complete your shopping, and submit your receipt or use supported retailer account linking when available. That straightforward system has remained the foundation of the app for years. Now, let's finish with 2 more reliable platforms. The fourth app is Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards continues rewarding eligible users through short surveys whenever they become available. The earning method is simple, and users know exactly what to expect whenever a survey notification appears. The fifth app is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars continues combining eligible surveys, promotional offers, and other supported activities into one rewards account. Instead of changing its core earning system, the platform has focused on expanding available opportunities. One thing to remember is that reward apps may update individual offers, supported merchants, or earning opportunities over time. That doesn't necessarily mean the overall payout system has changed. The important part is understanding how rewards are earned, when they're available for redemption, and following each platform's published requirements. Before investing time in any reward app, check the current redemption instructions inside the app and review your earning history regularly. Doing that helps you spot tracking issues early and keeps your account organized. The biggest takeaway is that Swagbucks, Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, Google Opinion Rewards, and Inbox Dollars have remained popular because their core redemption systems have stayed familiar even as new features and earning opportunities have been introduced. That consistency makes them easier to use over the long term. Your next step is to choose the app that best matches your everyday routine, complete a few eligible activities, and successfully redeem your first reward before expanding to additional platforms. If this guide helped you find reward apps with consistent payout systems, like the video and subscribe for more reward app reviews, tutorials, and weekly updates.